So tell me your name and the name of your farm.
I am Jacob Thomas, owner and operator of Jet Produce and Meats.
How long have you been farming here?
We have been growing vegetables since 2012. I grew up on a farm, and after college I just took our farm in a totally different direction. When I was a kid, we did cattle and crops, and I wanted to grow vegetables, and my dad graciously gave me a little bit of land, and then it just kind of kept taking off.
What's your favorite vegetable to grow?
My absolute favorite vegetable to grow is kohlrabi, but cabbage is a close second.
How do you enjoy it the most?
What I like most about it is it's easy to seed in the greenhouse. It grows well. When we go to transplant it, they have nice, big, healthy plants that are easy to transplant that can take some rough handling. They're very hardy once they get in the ground. And then once they're out in the field, and as you see behind me, none of this has ever been irrigated. So even with whatever dry spells we've had and the heat we've had, we're still doing well. And we're fortunate we don't have as many bug issues because of the bird population here, especially killdeer. And so they don't have to be sprayed as much as you might think.
How do you like to eat cabbage?
I do both a raw cabbage salad, mixing red and green. I make coleslaw. I like it steamed. I like it chopped up and put in stir fries. I like it grilled. I eat cabbage a lot of different ways.
That's nice. What is the one thing today that you love about being a farmer?
What I love about being a farmer on days like today is even though it's hot and miserable, I can still look back at the end of the day and feel accomplished about what was done, because we'll go through this morning and harvest a bunch of things, and then we can see how full the refrigerator got during the day to walk in the refrigerator, or you can look back at the field and see, look, that whole row is empty, it can be mowed off, it's done.
That's nice. Thank you for letting us visit your farm and look at your cattle and all your different fields of crops and your berries, and we appreciate your time, and thank you for growing food for us.
You're welcome. Thank you for your time.